This is the drop. This is the jump. This is the moment you need your action camera to be perfect. But which one won't let you down? We took the 5 most hyped action cameras of 2025 and put them through hell, freezing water, crushing dust, and brutal impacts, all to find the one true champion. The results were insane. One has a sensor that sees better in the dark than you can, another is practically indestructible without a case, and the number one pick? Its performance is absolutely ridiculous. Let's dive in. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. For the money, DJI's Osmo Action 5 is the best action camera you can buy right now. It trumps our previous top pick, the GoPro Hero 13 Black, in several ways, including battery life, which tops out at 2 solid hours of 4K video recording in my tests. The Action 5 Pro can now record a 4:3 ratio in 4K at 120 frames per second and features a new Super Night mode, which shoots up to 4K per 30 frames per second footage at 16:9 and uses noise reduction to get usable footage, even in low light situations. Want great audio? The Action 5 sounds decent out of the box, but it seamlessly integrates with the DJI Mic 2 or the Mic Mini to offer much better audio, better than what I've been able to get from GoPro, even with the GoPro Media Mod and an external mic. I also really love the Action 5's size. It's smaller than the GoPro and easier to mount on helmets or bike handlebars. The mounting system is unchanged, which is a good thing because this is the best magnetic system I've tried. Sure, the GoPro Hero 13 offers 5.3K video resolution, higher than the Action 5, but in practice, I've encountered very few situations where this matters. Given the longer battery life, much better low-light capabilities, and smaller design, DJI is the better buy. Number 2. GoPro Hero 13 Black. We have a separate guide to choosing the right GoPro, but for most people, the Hero 13 Black is the best option. Its new interchangeable lens system makes the Hero 13 Black considerably more versatile than anything else in this guide. In addition to the standard lens, there is the ultra-wide lens mod, $100, with a 177-degree field of view, a new macro lens mod, $130, for close-ups, and a new anamorphic lens mod, $150, with a 21:9 aspect ratio and those sweet movie-style lens flares. All of the extra lenses are automatically detected by the Hero 13 the minute you attach them, and settings are automatically adjusted accordingly. This is quite frankly the best feature of the camera, especially for the ND filters, which are normally quite a pain to set up with tape-proper shutter speed. Read our full GoPro Hero 13 review for more details on how the lens system works. And remember, if you don't need them, you don't need them. After a year of playing with these, I still use the standard lens the most, followed by the ultra-wide lens, and occasionally the macro lens. The Hero 13 Black also introduces a new magnetic mounting system, finally catching up to competitors, and it's great, but it seems like everyone forgot the GoPro has always had a quick mount system that is also great and remains what I use most. Number 3. GoPro Hero 13. Alongside the Hero 13 Black, GoPro is back to making a plain Hero camera as well. It's a tiny little thing, the picture really doesn't capture how small this thing is. With no front screen, no 5.3K video, it tops out at 4K/60p, and stabilization must be done in the GoPro Quick app, but if you're on a budget or just want the smallest form factor you can get, this is the way to go. I reach for this camera a lot more than I thought I would, partly because I rarely shoot higher resolution than 4K 30p, and this thing is so small I forget I'm carrying it. It's perfect for tossing in a bag just to have a camera with you, or for helmet mounts or other situations where the size matters. The two things I don't like are that I have to send the footage through the Quick app to get stabilization, and it doesn't have a built-in magnetic mount, which I think would open up a lot of shooting possibilities currently only possible with our next pick. Number 4. GoPro Hero 12. The Hero 12 Black, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, remains a fantastic camera, with good, smart stabilization, support for log video, wireless mic support, and a tripod mount. One downside is there's no GPS support. That's good for battery life, but if you like GPS, this is not the camera to get. The price has dropped as low as $287, so try not to spend much more than that. Number 5. Insta360 X5 360 camera. We've got a whole guide to 360 cameras, but the line between action camera and 360 camera continues to blur. While I am generally a fan of things that do one thing well, Insta360's X5 manages to be pretty darn good at two things: 360 footage and action camera footage. The X5 delivers 8K 30 frames per second 360-degree footage in a tiny, consumer-friendly package. When you're not feeling like 360 footage, switch to single-lens mode and use it like a 4K action cam. The twin 1/1.28 sensors are high enough resolution that you can reframe your footage to fit rectangular video formats and still have nearly 4K clips, which are sharp enough to mix with other video and without noticing the difference. Those sensors are the same as in the Go Ultra above, though the Go Ultra has some additional processor smarts that make it slightly better in low light, and it produces very similar video quality.